Welcome back. We are in Winnemucca, Nevada, trying to find the self-service car wash to wash the cow crap off of the truck. Because we went through a cattle drive. It's in one of the previous videos. It should be pretty funny, I hope. Oh, and I really have to go to the bathroom now too, but that is not happening yet. It's on this road. Nope, it's off of this road. So I'm looking for Hanson Street. That's what the lady said. From Maverick. There's not much open on Labor Day. Hanson Street's the light. Then it's 1/3 of a mile on my right. There's the, she did say Big O. Didn't show a Big O tires here though, I thought. West 6th must be the next road. Oh, it's the PDQ. Doesn't say anything about self-service. Oh, it is though. Oh wow, it's nice. It's got super tall. Oh, that's way nice. Don't tell me I gotta wait. Yeah, this is gonna be awesome. I just have to wear safety goggles to keep the crap out of my eyes. I don't care how much I spend, but getting this truck clean. Oh my god, that was this is exactly what I was hoping for too, this type of car wash. I even got a brush. Well, thanks for watching. Alright, we just got the truck clean. Took $25 at a self-serve car wash. The first 15 was just rinsing the shit off. I think I got 95 to 99% of it probably. Some of it you unfortunately can't see all the nooks and crannies. Is this a curb? Looks like a curb. Do they just have curbs here? I don't understand this place. I guess I can go down. I'm a truck. I don't know what it is. And then I did $5 on soap, brush, and then $10 on rinse. So I think I $10 on crap. I need to pay attention to where I am. I am lost. I am totally lost, going the wrong way. Alright, I need to quit talking and figure out where the truck stop is, because I need to wash up some research and get some food maybe. Oh, I have a sandwich to eat. Alright, I'm gonna try. There's Maverick. Oh, I could go to Maverick. I didn't do that. It's like a nice place. I'll park there and eat my sandwich maybe. Oh, I need to go to the bathroom too. Actually, Maverick will be good. Wow, I got tons of parking here. Park out here and check out their bathrooms. All right, we just ate our pizza at Maverick in Winnemucca, and we're gonna drive to the Flying J as soon as I put it in the navigation, actually, because my phone doesn't want to talk to me. All right, 1.3 miles away. So,
please proceed to the highlighted road.
Looks like there's all kinds of free BLM camping along the interstate going east off of the different exits. So, don't really want to stop yet. It's only 4:50. There's even one around here. So, I think I'm gonna go east for a couple hours after I go to the Flying J. Looks like I go across the bridge again. Maverick's pretty nice. Their restroom was not good though. But it is Labor Day, I'll give them that. It was kind of gross. So I'm going to Flying J now. One thing I found is truck stops do not let their restrooms get dirty, because truckers spend too much money there, you know, and they make tons of money at these truck stops. They can afford to clean their restrooms. Big O tires. I just said big old tires. And big O tires.
In 1/4 of a mile, turn left.
And because of that, I thought she said good all. I was totally confused.
In 500 feet, turn left to West Winnemucca Boulevard.
Oh, I feel a little better now though. Went to the bathroom, ate. Got the truck clean.
Turn left to West Winnemucca Boulevard.
Couldn't clean the tires that were touching the pavement because there was stuff in the grooves, but hopefully that will fall out or dry up. Nothing I can do about it. It didn't smell when I was done, so it didn't really smell much when I started washing either. It smelled a little when it got wet, but it wasn't horrible. I think the liquid is the smelly part, and that all either evaporated or dripped off of the truck. So I love this town. It's got everything. Be a nice central location in the west, actually, to live. you think about it, and it's got to be cheap. The
In 1/3
pig
of a mile,
barbecue.
your destination is on your right.
Yeah, we spent the
In
night at this
1/4
flying
of a
jet.
mile, your destination is on your right.
It's right in this corner of this truck lot. It was a nice spot.
You have reached your destination on your right.
All
Route
right.
guidance is now finished.
Let's get a parking spot. Hope their bathrooms are clean. Would be nice.